want to move from this to this, just stick around as I'll be showing you how to move page borders in Microsoft Word. So let's end this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. So there is an easy way to handle page borders in Microsoft Word and decide whether you want to remove it or want to make it even more stylish. In our case here, for the purpose of this tutorial, I believe we all want to move this page border. So to move page borders in Microsoft Word, you just want to come to this design tab here, click on it. Then you come to this experiment right here and then click on page borders. Okay, here we have the page borders already selected. There are two ways here to remove it. You can either come to the settings and just select none, or still in these settings here you can play with this tweaking right here. You can remove the top, bottom headers, left and right. Okay, this will now be marked as the custom header, as a custom border. Okay, but to make things even easier or simple, you can just come and click on this none right here, and then you just let everything be as it is. Then you click on OK. There the page border has gone and disappeared. Just how you get to remove page borders in Microsoft Word documents. Again, you can still play with a few of this tweaking here. If you want to move the page border just for this page, you can just come here and click on this section. You remove the page header just for the page that you're working on. But if you want this to work on the whole document, just come and select this whole document right here and then you click on OK, making sure that you select the none and then you just validate it. Your page border has been taken off. So that's how you get rid of page borders in Microsoft Word documents. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tap that button down below to not let anything missing from us. Okay, and if you want a specific tutorial on Microsoft Word, just comment it down below and I will try my best to make this video even more convenient for you. So I catch you in the next episode.